Okay guys, we're working on taking our tire off. First thing you got to do is take your caliper off. There's 3 bolts. These 2 bolts here hold the caliper on, and then this is a Torx bolt. It holds your brake pads on. Then you take your brake pads off. Now the center, you need a 36 millimeter to take the big bolt off. I already loosened it up with a breaker bar before I started the video. What we'll do is we'll lay this stuff down in the exact order I'm taking it off. Now, as you see, I have my tire supported under some wood, because what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to knock this out. Let me pause you guys, and we're going to knock it out. You know, one thing I got to buy is a goddamn ball peen hammer. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a piece of wood against that. Oh, sorry guys, I bumped the cam. Okay, we're not going to lose nothing. Alright. See, axle shaft comes right out. Now, your axle shaft adjusting plates are different. The left one is different than the right one. So you put them on the exact side you get them off of. You know what, I should have put a pair of gloves on. Let me get a pair of gloves on. Alright guys, I got my gloves on. Now we're going to push this forward a little bit. You know what, I might have to take my damn chain guard off. Yeah. We're gonna have to remove the chain guard. Because what that does on this side, I'll position the camera over here. I'll show you guys. See, in order to get the chain off, I need this. I need that amount of space. So let me pause you guys, and we'll take the chain guard off. Okay, take the chain guard off. See, now we're able to lift this up, and that gives it a little bit of room to push it back. Should be able to slide everything right off right now. Now this is the advantage of not having that rear fender on, having a tie detail on. Because if you had your stock rear fender on, you'd have to take that off. I got hair in my mouth for my dog. And there you go. And that's how easy it is to take it off. And now what we'll do is we're going to make another video putting the new tire and wheel assembly on.